Hey guys, let's talk about the Alexa Whisper mode setup. I have here an Alexa Dot and also an Echo Show, and it works with both, right? And there are different ways to do it. The first one is using your cell phone, so it's pretty simple. You just need to open the Alexa app, just right here. And then you come to settings. Just tap here and then settings. Next step, just come here to voice responses. And here you can enable whisper mode. Just tap here and it's done. Super simple, okay? Let me just unmute Alexa here and talk to her. Alexa, I'm talking to you right now. Alexa, I'm talking to you right now. Can you hear me?
Thanks for letting me know.
Alexa, how's the weather today?
The current weather is 82 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather with a high of 93 degrees and a low of 79 degrees.
Okay, Alexa, how are you feeling today?
Well, lately, I've been seeking out the good in the world. I do hear there's a special someone who can help us with that.
Superman here.
For tips on how you can be an everyday hero, like Superman, just say, look up.
Okay guys, as you can see, she started whispering and even playing something in low volume, okay? But there's always a wake up sound that's a little bit loud, right? Let me just mute her now and use the Echo Show. Unmute here. Alexa, can you hear me?
I'm here. I listen once I hear the wake word.
Alexa, how's the weather today?
Good morning, Vladimir. The current weather is 82 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for mostly sunny weather with a high of 93 degrees and a low of 79 degrees.
Alexa, how are you feeling today?
Well, lately, I've been seeking out the good in the world. I do hear there's a special someone who can help us with that.
Superman here.
For tips on how you can be an everyday hero, like Superman, just say, look up in the sky.
Okay guys, as you can see, she also whispered here to me and play some sound with lower volume, but always there's the problem with wake up sound, okay? And of course I'm gonna show you this video here with some changes to the volume so you can hear what I can hear here, right? Otherwise you cannot hear the whisper, but it's pretty low, okay? If you're like whispering, you cannot wake up anybody around because it's pretty low. So it works pretty good, right? And the second way to just turn on and turn off is just ask her, okay? Which is easier. Let me just ask her here. Alexa, turn off whisper mode.
Sure, whispered responses is now off.
Alexa, when I talk to you like this, can you whisper back?
Okay, whisper mode is on. When you whisper to me, I'll whisper back.
Okay guys, as you can see, you just need to ask her to make the whisper off, to turn it off, or to turn it on. And if you're trying to whisper to her, she understands that you want to enable this mode, and she offers to enable this mode, okay? In fact, you should just do it and let you know. So that's the way you can set up the Alexa whisper mode. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and